Hey America, this is Edgar from Southern Ornithological League. I'm out here with my buddy Alan.
What's going on, guys?
And we are doing a LANDNAV refresher course, and we're going to be out here in the woods all day. So look for some updates as we find each point, and follow us on the socials. twoteamguys.com. Thanks a lot. All right, this is our second point of the day, and we're only, what, maybe not even an hour into it. Out here on the LANDNAV course, found our first piece of foreign trash. Thanks, a-holes. Keep the woods clean. Home stretch, heading to our last point, and then it's on to the base camp from there. Looking good.